Standard second, 2.4 story times unity is strength. An old man lived with his four sons in a village. The old man was worried. His sons were always quarreling with each other. They would never agree on any point. The old man had tried telling them many times to avoid fighting, but his sons would not listen to him. They would fight for everything. One day he called his four sons. He gave them a small bundle of sticks and asked them to break the bundle into two. "It's so easy," said the eldest son. He took the bundle and tried to break it. He was surprised that the sticks in the bundle remained unbroken. He used more force. He tried again and again, but the bundle of sticks did not break. He gave up. A single stick is easily broken. If four sticks come together, it is impossible to break them. If you are united, help each other, and live in a friendship, you will be stronger than any enemy. But if you are divided among yourself and keep fighting, you will be as weak as the single stick in that bundle. Remember, divided we fall, said his sons. A meaningful brother learned a lesson with each other together as a team fit them. Now exercise is going on. In that, A. Answer the following. 1. Why was the old man worried? The answer is the old man was worried because his sons were quarreling with each other. The question number is 2. What happened when the sons tried to break the bundle of the sticks? The answer is the sons could not break the bundle of sticks. Question number 3. What happened with the single sticks? Answer is in no time the single sticks went at broken. Question number 4. What lesson did sons learn? The answer is united we stand, divided we fall. B. Arrange the following words in a proper order to make a meaningful sentences. First, worried man was old. The old man was worried. One is done for you. The second, everything for fight they would. Answer is they would fight for everything. 3. Sticks on the bundle did break not. Answer is the bundle of sticks did not break. Fourth, easily broken stick a single is. The answer is a single stick is. Fifth, stand divided, fall united we. Answer is united we stand, divided we fall. C. Find the small words hidden in the big word. Everything के बन सकते एवरीथिंग वेरी थिंग. सेकेंड इज फ्रेंडशिप. फ्रेंडशिप के बन सकते शिप एंड फ्रेंड थिंग. थर्ड वन इज सेपरेटेड. सेपरेटेड के बन सकते एट रेटेड रैट रेट. फोर्थ वन इज टुगेदर टू द गेट हर. Now, next question is D. Read the following sentences. Change the colored words with new words to form a new sentence. Question first is the old man was worried. One is done for you. The young woman was happy. Second one, he took the bundle and tried to break it. The answer is ही के जगह पे हम चेंज कर सकते हैं she took the cake and tried to eat it. Third one is an old man lived with his four sons in a village. Answer is an old Ramu lived with his four cats in a city. Fourth one is this time the brother learnt a lesson. Answer is this time the sister learnt a song. Fifth one is he gave them small sticks. Answer is she gave them many balls. Next question is write the words that tell us something about the words at the center. सेंटर में दिया गया हुआ है फर्स्ट फ्लावर में मैन के मैन से अबाउट वर्ड हम राइट कर सकते हैं मैन वाइज देन टॉल देन स्ट्रॉन्ग यंग ओल्ड etc. Then next is tree. Tree, green, beauty, small, tall, big. नेक्स्ट फ्लावर में दिया हुआ है उन्होंने फ्लावर. फ्लावर कौन से रह सकते हैं? वॉयलेट, ब्यूटीफुल, रेड, येलो, पिंक. Now next question is look and say. Now students, here you should repeat after me. First word is varied. Say varied. Sticks, united, quarreling, surprised, friendship, agree, unbroken. Say bundle, impossible, impossible. Okay students, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.